Hello student, I am Satish Tyagi to teach you subject physics, some important formula, class 12th, chapter number 4, part number 1. Now I am telling to you Biot-Savart law. Biot-Savart law is used if any wire is current is flow. Suppose this is a wire or current I is flow and this is the part of the wire, its length is dl and point is P. This the distance between dl and P is r. Angle between r and dl is theta. Then here dB equal to dB, yeah, means magnetic field dB equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi I dl sin theta upon r square. Here I is the current which flow in the wire and dl is the part of the wire and theta is the angle between dl and r, and then the magnetic field at point P dB equal to this. This is the magnitude of the magnetic field and its direction here we calculate from this right hand rules. Then here the magnetic field is inside perpendicular of the board, and suppose this is the point Q where we find the magnetic field. There the magnetic field dB, if distance is r, then for magnitude of the magnetic field dB equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi I dl sin theta upon r. But the direction of the magnetic field is upward of the board, perpendicular upward the board. Here perpendicular downward the board. This is the magnitude of the magnetic field. The magnetic field in vector form dB equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi I dl cross vector r upon r cube. This is the vector form of the magnetic field. This is the vector form of the magnetic field. This is the magnitude of the magnetic field. Now I tell you value of mu 0 equal to 4 pi into 10 की power minus 7 Newton ampere minus 2, the value of mu 0. This is the permeability of the medium. Now I am telling you formula number second. The formula number second is magnetic field at any point along the axis of a circular current carrying conductor. This is the formula number second. Suppose if this is a circular current carrying and direction of the current is this, and this is the radius of the circle. and this is the axis of the circle, and the distance from this to this point is r, where we find the magnetic field B. Where we find the magnetic field B. Then the magnetic field B equal to mu 0 upon 2 I a square upon r square plus a square की power 3 upon 2. Again I am telling it to you, suppose this is the wire which current is I and radius of the wire is small a. This is the center of the wire. In this axis at point P, where we find the magnetic field, then we use formula this. I is the current of the wire, A is the radius of the wire, R is the distance of the point P from the center of the wire. Then we use this formula. If number of circles are n, number of circle equal to n, then the magnetic field at point B equal to mu 0 upon 2 n I a square upon r square plus a square की power 3 upon 2. This formula is used for the many circles of the which current is flow. Now I am telling to you next formula number 13, 3. Now I am telling to you formula number 3. Formula number 3 is formula number 3. Magnetic field at the center of the circular current carrying conductor coil. This is the circular. Suppose the current I is flow in the circle and this is the center. Then the magnetic field here B equal to question mark. Then magnetic field B equal to mu 0 upon 2 I upon R. R is the radius of the circle. The magnetic field at the center of the circle due to current B equal to mu naught upon 2 I upon R. If the number of the circles n, if number of circles equal to n, then magnetic field at the center B equal to mu naught upon 2 n I upon R this. If the number of circle n, then magnetic field at the center of the C B equal to mu naught upon 2 n I upon R. If circle is only one, then the magnetic field at the center B equal to mu 0 upon 2 I upon R. Now I am telling to you next formula number 4. The formula number 4 the formula number 4, Ampere's circuital law. Suppose this is a wire, current I is flow. Current I is flow in this wire, and this is the point where we find the magnetic field B, and we take the distance of the wire from this is R. Then we draw a circle about the wire. Suppose this is the length of the circle and dl. This is the length of the circle dl, and direction of the magnetic field is B. Then, according to the Ampere's law, the integration of the vector B dot vector dl is equal to mu 0 into I. Now I am telling to you formula number 5. Formula number 5. Formula number 5 is magnetic field due to current, finite state, long wire. Suppose this is the straight wire, and the distance of the wire from the wire is small r, where we find the magnetic field B equal to question mark, and current I flow is here. Then joining this point from this, and joining this end point from this point. This is the angle theta 1, and this is the angle theta 2. Then the magnetic field at the point P, B equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I upon R, ब्रैकेट में साइन थीटा 1 प्लस साइन थीटा 2, साइन थीटा 2. If condition, first condition, if theta 1, if theta 2 equal to 0 and theta 1 equal to 90, theta 2 equal to 0. Suppose the point P is here in front of this, then the condition is this, and the length of the wire is infinity, then the point P dash, magnetic field B equal to, at point P dash, magnetic field B equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi I upon R, और साइन 90 1 होता है, साइन 90 प्लस साइन 0, and doing the solve we get mu 0 upon 4 pi I upon R square. Now, if the length of the wire is infinity, if the length of the wire is infinity, then magnetic field at the point P is the length of the wire is infinity. Length of wire is infinity. If then theta 1 equal to theta 2 equal to 90, we get the magnetic field at point P equal to mu 0 upon 2 pi I upon R. I have tell you formula 5 and next formulas I give you next videos. If you learn these formula with my explanation, then you solve any numericals, because you search the I, R and B. I give you next formula in next videos.